Hello again. This is Ryan, and we're going to go to the next part of this module, and this module deals with conditional formatting. And basically, conditional formatting allows you to add color coding to your data sets to help visualize and expose trends and patterns in your data. So we're going to work through this a little bit. Again, we're on this part here, part 3. So we're going to go down through this, and I'm going to walk you through a couple parts. I'm going to walk you through how to color code at least the ESL students and how to do a stoplight on your levels and on your maybe your chronic absenteeism. Do a couple things, and we'll walk through this and do some color coding and see what you think, and then you'll apply it and you'll color code some of your additional data you have added. So let's go back to our spreadsheet and let's do some color coding. So the way this works is, let's start off with our chronic absenteeism. So I'm going to highlight that column. I'm going to go here to Format, and I'm going to go down to Conditional Formatting. And I'm going to say, anytime a cell contains a cell or the text contains a yes value, we're going to make that, we're going to default. Let's use the default in this case. We're going to default, we're going to make it red. Hit that. Now you'll notice anytime a student is chronically absent, they are red. And what we can do is we can add another rule, and we can say, okay, let's say we want to do text contains again. This time, no. These would be your kids who are not chronically absent. We're going to say, okay, they're going to be your green because they're not chronically absent. We'll hit done. And you can use all these functions. Let's say I want to make it green, but I want to make my text, say, red, or let's say yellow. So my text is now yellow. I can't see it very good, so let's make it a different color. Say make my text purple. So now you can see it a little better. And hit done. And you can use all these different functions. I can make it bold. And now my text is green. So you can color code based on a word or text. So now I'm going to go over here to my reading percentile. I'm going to use what's called a stoplight, red, yellow, and green. So I'm going to highlight this column, and I'm going to say, this time I'm going to say, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to say, this time I'm not going to use text contains. I'm going to say, if a cell is less than, say, 25%, I am going to make that red. So those would be like your tier 3 kids. Say I want to identify my tier 2 kids. So let's say anything that is less than 50. I can make that yellow. Notice how they're yellow. And then any kid that is, say, less than 100% or less than 101%, I can make them green. Greater than. Should be less than 101%. The reason it's 101% because your percentiles go from 0 to 100. And by choosing 100%, 101% to be less than, I'm picking up 100. So that's how I do that. So that's a basic stoplight. So you can kind of see how your data is trending through that. You can do the same thing with words. So then you can also do it with your ESL column by looking for ESL and making it green and making things stand out. So one way to visualize your data is using conditional formatting and color coding. I hope this helps. Look forward to talking to you next.